Hi, I hope everyone is doing well. This video is to help you determine if you have a 4 or a 5-digit metaphor broker. I have a 4-digit broker right now, and it's Light Forex, and I'm showing you a 4-digit platform. Now, how do we determine it's 4 digits? After the decimal point, if you count 4 digits, then it's a 4-digit platform. For example, right now it's showing us the price in the euro used is 1.2339. That shows us it's a 4-digit broker. If we install the EA, and for demonstration purposes I have an EA installed to show you the 3 values that are important for us to work with, whether we're on a 4 or a 5-digit broker. We don't touch the values on a 4-digit broker with the EA. Okay, we leave the take profit, which is the first value, at 26 like it shows, the stop loss at 300 like we see it, and the pip step at 30 as we see it. Okay, that's a 4-digit broker with a 4-digit EA. Some EAs are for 5-digit brokers, but most of them are for 4. That doesn't mean to say that if you have an EA that's for a 5-digit, you can't run it on a 4-digit platform, and vice versa. In this case, it's a 4-digit EA with it's an EA meant for a 4-digit broker. Okay, let's put it that way. So let's click X because I don't want to run it, and show you something else. If you want to run gold now on 4-digit broker, we do have to make some changes, and this is how we make the changes. Let me bring up the EA again, and we look for 3 values. Always 3 values. We do not touch anything else. The first value that we change is the take profit. Instead of 26, we add another 0, another digit 0, to make it 260. We change our stop loss from 300 to 3000, like so. And we change the third value, which is our pip step, from 30 to 300. Now remember, these are all example values, okay? But it doesn't change the fact that if we want to trade gold on a 4-digit platform, we have to change these values. And for currency pairs, we do the same changes. I will go on a 5-digit broker and show you those changes as well. Now let me click X and get out of the EA because I don't want to install it. One other thing I wanted to show you is that some brokers, let me go on the 5-digit now and show you. This is a 5-digit broker. You can see that after the decimal point we have 5 digits. Okay, in this case it shows us on the euro used the price is 1.23381. Okay, after the decimal point there are 5 digits, which is to show us it's a 5-digit broker. Now let's bring up the EA again. By the way, in common we click allow live trading like so, and on the safety we click on allow DLL imports and click on allow import of external experts, and then we go to inputs. We search for the 3 values again, which is take profit. We add a 0. This is the currency pair, remember guys, okay? The stop loss, we make it from 300 to 3000, and we change our pip step again from 30 to 300. on the currency pair. I repeat, on a 5-digit broker. And again, the same thing applies with the gold pairs. Let me click X and get out. The same thing applies with the gold pair as well. We change the EA in the inputs, those 3 values, and no other value. I repeat, we leave it at, we limit to change only the 3 values. Now, when you download a Metafor platform, in some cases, on your left hand side here, where the symbols are, you only see 2 pairs, or 3 or 4. You don't see all the pairs. What you do in this case is you go to view at the very top of your platform on the left, and you see it's a drop down window that you see options. Okay, you go into wrong. Sorry about that. I've done it so many times, I got confused. You go into the value window and you click on any pair that you see. Right click, and you got a drop down, and you click on show all, and there you go. You've got all your pairs. Alright, that's how it's supposed to be. Another thing I wanted to show you is what happens sometimes in some brokers. Some pairs are doubled. Alright, so when you see a euro used, it says euro versus US dollar, and in the little window that you see where when you place your mouse on the currency pair, it says trade full. That's what you want to drag in. Okay, that's the chart that you want, because some other charts say no, trade no, and that's not what you want. Basically what you're looking for is the euro used trade full. All right. In the description below the video, you have a link for Light Forex if you are interested in opening an account with Light Forex. It's a 4-digit broker. If there's something that you'd like to ask, okay, if you have any questions, you will also find a link to my blog, and there's a contact form there. You can use that to email me and ask me anything you like if you have a question. Okay, I want to limit myself to just saying this in this video, because this is what the purpose of it is, to determine if you have a 4 or a 5-digit broker. I have a lot of questions. You email me and ask me, how do I determine if I'm on a 4-digit or a 5-digit platform? Coming from a newbie, a new trader, I can understand it, but coming from a professional trader, it's unthinkable. So I thought I should make a video and make it clear to you. Also, the video link will be in the file that you will be receiving, okay, from me with the software. So if you're going through the file and you don't understand something, then you can come to the video and see it over again. Also, when you're running an EA, we never overtrade. Okay, we have to be careful not overtrading, which means that we do not use multiple currencies. And I have a lot of information there for you in the instructions file that you will be getting from me. Now, that's all I have to say for now. Okay, I hope I was clear and, did my best to explain to you. And again, remind you, if you need any help, go to my blog and email me. It's easy, okay? I'm not anonymous. I'm there. So there's a contact form. Use it. That's what it's there for. I wish you all a good morning, a good afternoon, or evening, whatever part of the world you're coming from. For now, bye-bye, and stay safe.